You are learning about a very influential person in the history of the world. Why was he an influential person, loved by every single person?
Through a country would stop at a village and he didn't have to ask for food or for water. Once he stops, the people give him food, entertain him. That is one aspect of Ubuntu, but it will have various aspects.
You see me like a mirror, right? If you go to the mirror and you look amazing in the mirror is saying that you are amazing, isn't it? So you are you because of what other people say you are. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Right? So if you are oppressing me and everybody says you're oppressing me, then you must be an oppressor. Make sense? Because it's a mirror. I can't be wrong, it's only a reflection. So we believe in this. That's what he stood for. If you had to take your friend for a walk who stays in BS7 and you didn't get a permit, you'd be arrested. Yes. Because you should stay in your area. Don't go. Is that fair?
Yeah.
No.
Oh.
No.
Takes time, you know.
I should know. I should know.
Yes? So it's not fair, right?
No.
Okay, so that's why they were burning all the documents. Ubuntu. Right? So if I am dull, what am I going to attract? Dull people. If you are enthusiastic and you're a happy person, what do you attract? Happy people. Make sense? If you smoke, who are your friends going to be? People that smoke. If you're a person that studies and you do well in school and you got your grade, who are your friends going to be? Okay, if you're a good sports person and you always want to do your sports and you're always on time, who's going to be your friend?
Sporty people.
Why does it happen like that?
Because they
got lots of things.
Yes, and that's all that it is there.
Great.
And you guys have got that common. You've got something common where if you work together, you can actually get a good sense of enthusiasm and confidence and structure, and you can literally make sure that when you do a presentation about how you want to represent Nelson Mandela, that you can actually make yourselves, because that's most important, and you can make your family proud.